What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where since the debut last year, the Hyundai Staria has grabbed the attention of minivan aficionados due to its spaceship-like styling. And after the passenger, commercial, and school bus variants, Hyundai has launched a Staria-based camper van in South Korea, which could make a great competitor for the VW Transporter California and the Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo series. Now, the Staria Lounge Camper is based on the highest trim of the Staria's range, coming with all the tech and luxurious features you would expect from a modern high-end minivan. Now, visually, it stands out from its siblings thanks to the aerodynamic optimized electric pop-up roof extension and the side awning, which can be transformed into a mobile camping spot. Despite the extra bits, the total height is 2,095 millimeters, 82.5 inches, which means it can fit in most underground garages. Now, the minivan is available in two variants with 11 seats and 4 seats, and in both cases, the rear seats fold flat, creating a bed that can comfortably sleep 2 adults, while there is an extra double mattress for 2 people on the pop-up roof. Now, in terms of spec, there is a choice between creamy white and abyss black pearl shades for the exterior. Inside, there is brown upholstery for the seats, black for the 11-seater version, combined with the luxurious black and white cabin and ambient LED lighting. And while the 11-seater is all beds, the 4-seater has a pretty cool kitchen and storage module on the left side. There you'll find a 36-liter 1.3 cubic feet refrigerator, a sink for your dishes, a 70-liter 2.5 cubic feet water tank, a 40-liter 1.4 cubic feet waste tank, a detachable shower head, a foldable table, and storage compartments for cutlery. Now, all features can be controlled by the foldable 12.1-inch touchscreen, while the curtains and all windows will make sure you have enough privacy. Moving outside, you'll find a retractable awning with integrated LED, and the outdoors table sliding out from the tailgate, 2 foldable chairs, a mosquito net for the rear door, and an external power supply for your gear. Now, under the bonnet, there's a 2.2-liter CRDI engine producing 174 horsepower, 130 kilowatts, 177 PS, and 317 pound-feet, 430 newton-meters of torque. Now, power is sent to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, while optional all-wheel drive is offered for those who want to go a bit further in their camping holidays. Now, in South Korea, pricing for the Hyundai Staria Lounge Camper starts at $49,047 million or $40,050 for the 11-seater and $68.58 million or $55,520 for the 4-seater. And no one is sure if Hyundai is planning to export the camper to other markets, but I'm sure some would love to spend a weekend in nature with it. Now, besides the lounge camper, Hyundai has also revealed the Lounge Limousine, a business van coming with 7 or 9 seats, 205 millimeters, 8.1 inches of extra legroom due to the roof extension and luxurious features like automatic electric side steps. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Staria camper? Is this something you take out for long adventures? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the Hyundai Staria Lounge Camper minivan. Now, with that said, if you guys like what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video.